Our rough road exceeding funds. Our rough road exceeding funds. Our rough road exceeding funds. Awungithatha ungibeke ebusheni bami ngidla ubusha bami lapho obungcweleni obusulwa busantanta ebusweni bami ngisaphupha ngihamba ngebhano ile Bavarial net. Yeklazi stargazing manje sengumaqhuzi GPS inkombe inkanyezi enkazi emolweni yezulu G4S ngibize ephuphweni lapho neBavaria lingikhombe ezulwini phela athi ngisikhumbuzo ukuthi ngiyindoda unamba bani inombolo zingaka Indoda unumber 7 UK7 Stars Clever's Premium Skumba Samatariana Alta Qualita every stage counted every penny on my eye operations Manje 18 hours emoyeni 7 good God given this bekeli beke Manje awubheke sengifuza amafu ngokuluva Ngishayela phezulu ngizobe ngiphathi AK7 nesemthethweni yokukhuthala ngikhuthuze ngikhombe ngikhonkothe inyathi inkunzi inkomo zedlozi lami ngo7 amaphupha ayafezeka senganawuthi ukusuka nokufika komshayelo webhano yelihamba phansi we-my road exceeding fund wase uba imali ephaphayo ephuphayo sekupope bani manje chaspoko sami sensindiso yedamara nomathiliso ney'moto zabo nengozi letransebomvu wangidlisa ngamadayisi wadilika sipoko sedladla elingekho i-ghost house yemali nebriefcase eloya lami ibhano ilasemgwaqweni lishaya lizola lindiza libheke empuma iphupho lami cishe lagibela indizamshini ladukanezwa I believed I could fly nale speed sale bhano isicishe sangilahla phansi kwenkanyezi zezulu manje I blew it I'm a bad boy to good boy oshintsha khuluva imali ngithenge izulu namadayimani alo inkanyezi engapheli any drain cause ngiyitariana ngifuna ukujiva istariana ezulwini star iyana I'm the tailor of all stars the stars are there those to which one enters paradise although a gangster's paradise bring back my diamonds if you try na act gangster and double cross usomaqhuzu nosomadayimani wehome shamali ebuzwa ibizwe emoyeni njengemoto etshontsha imali ngivuthile naye ne-backup ka-God Guluva himself grind my take off and blow up imali yami mdala retrieve and repossess my road accident funds manje sengifuna ukuba yipilot eRoyal Air Force hawu wase uba rafu mali yephupho yephepha eliphuphayo eliphaphayo ngiphapheme manje sebathi awusekho angazi uyaphi elangeni lomlilo wamalangabi noma ungabuya ungilindile udilike kulokhu ngiyokukhamandela njengonyazi ushise ephompolile ezandleni ziyasibhekelane manje out of this world sengiphethe nebhano lomkhathi spaceship soGuluva sesishayela phezulu sashaya round ezulwini ngiyovutha uGod Guluva himself songena sochaza oGuluva buya besidlala sesidlala nengilosi zezulu esiphethe amadayimani enkazimulo yemvuzo yemzuzu zenkanyezi zezulu wena my shooting star my lucky charm make my wish come true by making me the best version of myself ongikhotha amanxeba in front of my lawyer namaloyo wabo my road accident funds